Morning everyone. So today is Saturday. I'm freaking late for uploading a car video again. I'm freaking sorry. Let me explain. I have a crazy story to tell you guys, okay? So this is how I wanted to do my car videos for the upcoming week. So first video was supposed to be of the cable that I got. Second was a hood support. Third one is supposed to be the reason why I'm having those three codes, the VSC, ABS, and I think it's like VSC off light. If you guys don't know why I'm talking about the VCIe cable that I got from eBay. First off, let me just say something. Do not buy it from eBay. I know I said you guys should, probably get it from eBay. Do not get it from eBay. And here's why. So, I guess the software, if you look it up, software is like version 13 point something something something. That will not read your VSC light. I don't know why. I literally recorded my car video from Sunday all the way up till Wednesday. And, I was having trouble. Like, it was easy to install the software, easy to plug in the cable. I had no problems whatsoever. I mean, I did a little bit in regards to installing the software, but I solved it by myself. And then every time I tried having the cable read the ABS light and VSC light, it would always give me an error code. So I hit up the guy. I was like, hey, your product is kind of sucking right now. It's not reading these lights that I want to go away, I guess you could say. And he's like, okay, let me see what I could do. And basically what he did, he told me to install like a team viewer, which is like, they can access my computer from their end. And they did that. The guy said he reinstalled everything. I went to plug in the OBD2 connector with the cable to my laptop. And next thing you know, it did not freaking work again. And I told him, and he straight up just said, hey, there's not much we could do. This cable sometimes works for cars that are under 2005, and sometimes it doesn't. And I was like, dude, are you serious? And then I was like, is there any way you could downgrade the software? No response at all. And that's when I got pissed. I was like, dude, I'm gonna give this guy one day. And next thing you know, he ended up not saying anything. So I was like, F it, I'm gonna return it. So I'm returning that cable. I ordered a new one. I emailed the guy in regards to the software because it was a different version. I think it's like version 1 point something something. I'll update you guys when I get the cable. And he said that version 13 has a lot of bugs, so that's why his version will work. So hopefully it works. If not, I'm returning that, and then I might have to get something else that I've had in mind for a couple of months, but it's pretty pricey. But on to story number 2. While doing that cable thing, you have to leave your car on the on position, right? And my car died. I was like, God damn it, now I have to freaking jumpstart my car. So, let me tell you guys a story outside. Alright guys, so the story goes like this. Jumpstarting my car. I connected the jumper cable to my girlfriend's car to my car. And then I went to turn on the car, right? So it finally started, no problem, right? And the worst situation happened. The hood closed. And from my understanding is, you're never supposed to touch the red and black cables together. Especially when one end is connected to the battery and the other end might be touching each other. That could be all bad. And my car hood was stuck. That's the worst situation that could ever happen. And you know what I had to do, guys? I'm gonna show you guys right now. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this tape? Look at this. It broke, guys. I'm so sad. So look, literally it had to break in order for me to get to the hood. It literally broke everything. So look, right there, see? That part right there, the metal part, it broke. Or the plastic part connecting to the body, it broke. So I had to hold it up with tape for now. But good news is I got a Jdm Toyota grill, so we'll go ahead and install that And that's the reason why we're installing the hood support. So that's today's video for now. So let's go ahead and do that before the hood closes. Alright everyone, and if you guys are wondering why the quality is so much better, it's because I'm not recording on my phone for now. I'm using my work camera. I'm not supposed to, but I just want to test it out. So please let me know if you guys like this quality more. Maybe I'll find like a nice point and shoot ASAP or a nice cheap DSLR like this one. And if you guys are new, please like, comment, subscribe. I like to work on cars. I have this Lexus. Upcoming summer, I'm gonna be working in the Honda, so the Lexus is gonna be put off a little bit. But my goal is to get the Honda running by September, because that's when smog is due, since I'm in California. But on to the video. So I got, I believe it's strong arm supports. Is it strong? Yeah, strong arm supports. Right there. Code number is 4536. And I think it should have everything. I got it from Rock Auto. They tend to have really good prices as opposed to like Summit Racing, or I think it's 1A quality parts or 1A auto parts. I don't know. Especially like Pep Boys, man. Pep Boys, they be charging me like 70 bucks for these two or something like that. Maybe even more, but I got this for a good price. So if you guys are interested in installing hood supports or replacing yours, Rock Auto. That's the best solution. But yeah guys, just let me know in the comments below if you guys really like this quality, or just give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, so that way I know like, okay, I gotta step it up. And yeah guys, I really wish I could be installing all these cool parts, but my goal is to pay off half of my debt by the summer. That's literally why I haven't been getting cool parts. If I were to have money, truth be told, I would get newer wheels. I would fix the rust spots. I'd get a better grill, and I would honestly probably get air suspension. But dude, air suspension is pretty pricey, and we're talking about thousands. I obviously do not have the mechanical knowledge to install airbags, but anyways, let me put you guys right here. Oh shoot, oh, right there. Sorry, it might seem kind of awkward. Anyway, strong arm hood support. Supposedly this is very easy, I hope. Alright, so this is how the hood support looks like. I don't know why this one is more darker than the rest, or than the other side. Look, what the heck? I know for a fact it's the right part, so we'll go ahead and install it. Let me go ahead and get a tripod so I could put you guys on the tripod, and we could install this together. Alright everyone, we're gonna go ahead and remove the freaking hood struts. So what I believe is, there's this nut right here you're supposed to take out. I believe it's a 12 or a 10. I lost my 12 or 10, so I'm gonna go with the other sizes. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright everyone, I'm using a half. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're gonna move one side first, the top first and then bottom, replace it with the new struts, and then we're gonna remove the other side and replace that with the new struts. Alright everyone, so I removed it. Make sure you have the strut that exactly looks like the one you removed, because it's positioned differently, right? Yeah, it's positioned differently. So like, as you can see, the top part faces that way and the bottom part faces that way, and the only strut that has that look would be this one. So it goes that way, and obviously it goes that way. So we'll go ahead and replace it. I believe you have to install the hardware onto the hood, so we'll go ahead and do that first. Alright everyone, so this is how the hardware looks like. Just to give you a reference, it's like to get out of the plastic, looks like that. It comes with that little bolt with a ball head and a washer. You have to install this onto the car first, because as you can see, there's little clips you could just take out. It will loosen the inside part, so that way you just put it right in, tighten it again. You just get a flat head and pull it out. I'll show you guys, but we'll go ahead and do that right now. To make your guys' life easier, just get a 12. Do not get that one that I used. I think it was this one, 7/16, or maybe it was a half. I don't remember, but get a 12. Your life will be much more easier. Just get a 12. And basically how you want to install this onto the car is just put the washer inside and then just tighten it like that. Where is it? So the two mounting points would be where that hole is right there, right here, and then literally right there. Hey everyone, so I have a small flathead, and obviously you have this little opening right here, right? I don't know if you guys could see that, just a little opening. It's being enclosed by a clip. You just get the flathead and then you just push it open. Yeah, so it looks like that now. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see. As you can see, it's kind of open. The clip is more back now. And obviously same goes for the bottom. Enclosed clip, get a flathead. So basically that's it right there. Boom. Boom. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. Literally all you have to do is get the ball head, right? Get the ball head. Just put it onto wherever. And then push the clip in. You're good on one side. Do the other, on top or bottom, don't matter. Same thing. Put it in, close the clip. You guys should be good. You can see now the hood stays up on one side because one end is good. The easiest install ever if you have the tools. I accidentally dropped the washer. Talk about bad timing, but it works out. So boom, right there, not right there, not right there. Take out the clips, put it in, test fit everything, and then just push the clips in and you should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll go ahead and install my Toyota JDM grill together. Alright guys, so we're gonna install the grill. We gotta remove that, obviously. Oh, I think it's coming out. Remove that. And we also want to remove these two, because we're gonna connect this latch onto that JDM grill. Super easy. Obviously we have to remove the tape. Alright everyone, so the reason why I never I had the grill before, but it just looked so stupid because I had the Toyota grill emblem, I mean, and then my Lexus badge on the back. I'm actually thinking about removing the badge in the back so it looks less dumb. So we'll go ahead and do that. Super easy. Like I said, I've been having this grill. Shout out to the homie Matt. He has a really nice MR2, and he actually got me into Lexuses, and I was just like, because I wanted to venture, I guess you say I wanted to venture off from Honda. I wanted to try something new. So yeah, and that latch thing, you just connect it right there. Super easy. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Y'all could watch. Yeah, so 10mm bolts on everything. I broke it. I had to break this in order to lift the hood up, but literally the thing that holds these things, dude, my shoulder hurts. Anyways, yeah, it broke, unfortunately. What I like to do first is actually put the grill on the car and then put the latch. Obviously everything will be easier from there and then, and yeah, go ahead and do that. And if you guys are wondering how to install it, there's these little holes here. You just put the little pointy bolts or whatever it is through the holes, and then you get your 10mm, tighten this, and then you put this latch like this. I think it's how is it? It's like this. It's not over, it's like this, and then plug that obviously and tighten it, and we should be good. Yep, that's how the car looks. Obviously it's super dirty, but it's got the grill. Obviously I have to debadge everything because this looks so dumb. That's basically it, guys. Next week's video is gonna be of the cable, and then hopefully I get to find out what sensor it is or if it's something else. So hope you guys enjoy that. Please like, comment, subscribe. That's basically it. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.